Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is SRE. Let's start it. SRE stand for Site Reliability Engineering. Site Reliability Engineering (SRE) is a discipline that combines software engineering and operation to build and operate large-scale, highly reliable software system. Here are some key aspects of SRE. First is server level objectives SLOS defining metrics for server reliability and performance, setting targets for uptime, latency and error rates. Second is error budgets, calculating and allowed error rate based on SLOS, managing the trade off between future development and reliability. Third is blameless postmortems, conducting retrospectives after outage or incidents, focusing on learning on and improvement. Third, then blame. Four is reliability engineering, design system for failure and recovery, implementing redundancy, failure and self-healing mechanism. Five is monitoring and altering building monitoring system to detect anomalies and issues, setting up alerting system for rapid response to incidents. Six is incidents management, establishing process for responding to incidents, coordinating efforts to resolve issues quickly and efficiently. 7 is capacity planning, predicting resource needs and scaling system accordingly, ensuring sufficiency capacity for growth and demanded. 8 is continuous improvement, regulatory reviewing and improving SRE processing and systems, adopting new technologies and techniques to enhance reliability. Some popular SRE tools and technologies included, first is Prometheus and Grafana for monitoring and alerting. For second is Kubernetes of containers orchestration and management. Terraform and Ansible for infrastructure automation. Four is PagerDuty and Obsidian for incidents management. Five is Google SRE books and AWS well architecture framework for guidance and best practices. Determine the reliability of a system is circular to ensure it meets the required standards. Here are some additional SRE topics. First is server level indicators SLIS, metrics that indicate the health and performances of a service. Examples included latency, error rates and throughput. Second is server level agreement SLAs, formal agreements between teams or organization define the expected server equality and reliability standard. Third is reliability depth, accumulated technical depth that affects the system reliability. Addressing reliability depth is circular to maintain system health. Four is toil, manual, repetitive and often boring tasks. Automating toil is essential to reduce the risk of human errors. Five is automation, automating tasks and processes to improve efficiency and reliability. Examples included infrastructures automation, testing and deployments. Six is testing for reliability, testing strategies for ensure system reliability. First example included choice engineering, load testing and failure injection. Seven is reliability engineering, maturity model for framework to access and improve reliability engineering practices. help organization evaluate their current state and identify areas for improvement. 8 is SRE metrics.